In today's fast-paced digital world, the concept of making money online has evolved dramatically, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence. Welcome to our video, where we'll explore the exciting opportunities that AI presents for generating income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding how to leverage AI can open up a world of financial possibilities. Throughout this video, we'll dive into various methods of making money online using AI tools and technologies. From automating tasks to enhancing productivity, AI can help streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings. We'll discuss popular platforms that utilize AI, innovative business models that are emerging, and practical tips on how to get started. But why is this so important? In today's digital landscape, the ability to harness AI is not just a luxury, it's becoming a necessity. As more people turn to online income streams, those who can effectively utilize AI will have a significant advantage. Imagine being able to analyze market trends, optimize your content, or even create products with the help of AI. These are just a few of the ways you can stay ahead of the curve. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI and transform your financial future, stick around. We'll provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to help you navigate this exciting journey. Let's get started on your path to making money online with AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn like humans. This technology encompasses a wide range of applications, from natural language processing and machine learning to robotics and data analysis. In the business world, AI is revolutionizing how companies operate, making processes more efficient and decision-making more data-driven. The trend of integrating AI into online entrepreneurship is rapidly growing. Entrepreneurs are increasingly recognizing the potential of AI to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive sales. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answering queries and resolving issues in real time. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up valuable time for business owners to focus on strategic growth. Moreover, AI tools can significantly enhance productivity and profitability. For example, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify market trends, helping entrepreneurs make informed decisions about product development and marketing strategies. Additionally, AI can automate repetitive tasks such as email marketing campaigns or inventory management, allowing business owners to allocate their resources more effectively. As we delve deeper into the world of online income generation, it's essential to understand how AI can be a game changer. By leveraging AI technologies, you can not only optimize your business operations, but also uncover new revenue streams. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or scale an existing venture, embracing AI can provide you with the tools needed to thrive in the competitive online marketplace. In the ever-evolving landscape of freelancing, integrating artificial intelligence tools can significantly enhance the services freelancers offer. With a plethora of AI tools available, freelancers can streamline their workflows, improve project quality, and ultimately boost their income. Some popular AI tools include Grammarly for writing assistance, Canva for graphic design, and Jasper for content generation. These tools not only save time, but also elevate the standard of work produced. AI can improve efficiency in various ways. For instance, freelancers can use AI-driven project management tools like Trello or Asana to automate task assignments and track progress. This allows them to focus more on creative aspects rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Additionally, AI can analyze data and provide insights that help freelancers make informed decisions, whether it's about pricing their services or targeting the right audience. Several freelance niches particularly benefit from AI assistance. Writers and content creators can leverage AI tools to generate ideas, optimize SEO, and enhance their writing quality. Graphic designers can use AI to create stunning visuals quickly, allowing them to take on more projects. Even web developers can utilize AI for coding assistance, debugging, and optimizing website performance. By embracing AI, freelancers can not only enhance their productivity, but also deliver higher quality work to clients. This not only leads to greater client satisfaction, but can also result in repeat business and referrals. As the freelance market continues to grow, those who harness the power of AI will undoubtedly stand out and thrive in their respective fields. In the digital age, generating income through AI-generated content has become an exciting opportunity for creators. With advancements in artificial intelligence, platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai enable users to create high-quality articles, blog posts, and even scripts for videos with ease. Additionally, tools like Synthesia and Pictory allow creators to produce engaging videos using AI-generated visuals and voiceovers, making content creation more accessible than ever. Monetization strategies for content creators utilizing AI can vary widely. One popular approach is affiliate marketing, where creators promote products or services within their AI-generated content and earn a commission for each sale made through their referral links. Another strategy is ad revenue, where creators can monetize their blogs or YouTube channels through platforms like Google AdSense, earning money based on the traffic and engagement their content generates. Additionally, subscription models such as Patreon allow creators to offer exclusive AI-generated content to paying subscribers, providing a steady income stream. Several successful case studies highlight the potential of AI in content creation. For instance, a blogger using AI tools to generate articles on niche topics has seen a significant increase in traffic and ad revenue, allowing them to turn their passion into a full-time job. Similarly, a YouTube channel that leverages AI to create educational videos has gained thousands of subscribers and secured sponsorship deals, showcasing the power of AI in scaling content production. By embracing AI-generated content, creators can not only save time, but also unlock new revenue opportunities, making it an attractive avenue for those looking to monetize their skills in the digital landscape. In the competitive world of e-commerce, integrating artificial intelligence can significantly enhance business operations and customer experiences. AI tools are revolutionizing how online retailers manage inventory and provide customer service. For instance, platforms like TradeGecko and Skubana utilize AI algorithms to optimize inventory management, predicting stock levels based on sales trends and seasonal demands. This helps businesses reduce overstock and stockouts, ensuring they meet customer needs efficiently. AI also plays a crucial role in improving customer service. Chatbots powered by AI, such as those offered by Zendesk and Drift, can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and support. These chatbots can resolve common issues, guide customers through the purchasing process, and even recommend products based on user behavior, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. Personalization is another area where AI shines in e-commerce. By analyzing customer data, AI can tailor shopping experiences to individual preferences. For example, recommendation engines like those used by Amazon and Netflix suggest products based on previous purchases and browsing history, making it easier for customers to discover items they are likely to buy. This level of personalization not only boosts sales, but also fosters customer loyalty. Several successful e-commerce businesses have embraced AI to drive growth. For instance, Stitch Fix uses AI to analyze customer preferences and curate personalized clothing selections, resulting in a unique shopping experience. Similarly, Sephora employs AI-driven tools to offer virtual try-ons and personalized product recommendations, significantly enhancing customer engagement. By leveraging AI technologies, e-commerce businesses can streamline operations, improve customer interactions, and create personalized shopping experiences that ultimately lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. As the demand for artificial intelligence continues to grow, investing in AI-driven companies presents a compelling opportunity for savvy investors. Key sectors where AI startups are thriving include healthcare, finance, transportation, and e-commerce. In healthcare, AI is being utilized for predictive analytics, drug discovery, and personalized medicine, while in finance, companies are leveraging AI for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. The transportation sector is seeing innovations in autonomous vehicles and logistics optimization, and e-commerce businesses are using AI for personalized shopping experiences and inventory management. The potential returns on investment in AI technology can be substantial. As AI continues to disrupt traditional industries, early investors in successful startups can see significant appreciation in their investments. According to various reports, the AI market is projected to grow exponentially, with estimates suggesting it could reach trillions of dollars in value over the next decade. This growth presents a unique opportunity for investors to capitalize on the technological advancements that AI brings. When researching and selecting promising AI startups, it's essential to consider several factors. Start by evaluating the startup's technology and its potential applications. Look for companies with a strong team of experts and a clear vision for their product. Additionally, assess the market demand for their solutions and the competitive landscape. Engaging with industry reports, attending tech conferences, and networking with other investors can provide valuable insights into emerging trends and opportunities. By carefully researching and investing in AI startups, you can position yourself to benefit from the transformative power of artificial intelligence while potentially reaping significant financial rewards. In this video, we've explored the exciting landscape of making money online with artificial intelligence. From freelancing with AI tools that enhance productivity to creating AI-powered content that generates income, the opportunities are vast and varied. We discussed how e-commerce businesses can leverage AI for inventory management and personalized shopping experiences, as well as the potential for investing in AI startups across thriving sectors like healthcare and finance. The key takeaway is that AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can transform how we work and earn. Whether you're a freelancer looking to optimize your services, a content creator aiming to monetize your skills, or an investor seeking promising startups, the importance of taking action cannot be overstated. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, and those who embrace AI will be well positioned to thrive. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and online income opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from learning about the potential of AI. Your support helps us create more informative content and reach a wider audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI and online income. We hope you feel inspired to explore these opportunities and take the next steps toward enhancing your financial future. Stay tuned for more exciting topics, and let's continue to navigate the future together.